All right. We're pulling some traps and had these DPs out here, dog proofs. They're a coon trap, but you can catch possum, skunk. I've heard of fox being caught in them. I haven't seen one, but I've heard of them. They're fairly simple. I just snap them off right there like that. I just hit the trigger on the side. And then I've got this tool. And what you do is you just hook. I just hook that swivel up to it. Like that. And you just pull up. Once you pull up, it'll pop right out. And you can reuse those stakes. Those are Wolfbang. They're a little stronger, but you can use a Berkshire too. They're pretty cheap, and you can bang them back into place, bend them back into place. But pretty simple. This didn't turn out real well. We had 2 coon on this big old trail. I thought would produce a bunch, but we got 2 coon. Actually, we only got 3 coon out here on the pond the whole time. I think we ended up with 9 coon last year total. 4 muskrat, a possum that I let go, and what else did we get? Anything? A beaver. But for a little small 8 acres of ground I've been trapping, that's pretty darn good. You know, it's just a hobby. It's not a long liner. I'm not a professional trapper or anything. I just do this for a hobby, and it's enough for me to skin and put up. So it's been fun. We got to get back to work, and we'll put a few out here later. But this line here, I'm gonna pull all this DPs because not getting anything in on them anyway. I could use them someplace else if I find a place. But it's been fun. We're just gonna hook that to it like that. So you just take that swivel and put it on that hook and bend straight up. Pull it straight up, and that pulls it right out of the ground. You can reuse it. And that's it. Pretty simple. We'll clean them out and use them someplace else. Like I said, we only got 2 on this line here. 3 total out here at the pond. Wasn't as many as I thought. Heck, we got video of them. Hell, I had 10, 12 of them out here. But that's all right. That means there's seed for next year. I'm not trying to get rid of everything. I'm just trying to thin them out a little bit. It's been fun, but we got work to do. I got a lot of work out here to do. I've been cutting. If you notice, I've been cutting a lot of trees. I still got a bunch to go. I just cut these out of the road because they were overhanging in the road. I'm gonna rent a chipper and start chipping everything up and cutting more. I've got a month of trimming, so got to get back to work. All right, that's all I got.